Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart. Trying to get a little bit more light. It's not my normal light, but I'm too lazy to turn on the other light. Plus, it's really hot here. So, it's been hot. It went from like barely in the 70s to 90, like overnight. So, let's get into it. So, I've got 3 destashes today. Lowered prices for 2 of them, but also I added extra things to one of them that, this is stuff that's left over, and then a brand new one. So the brand new one is from, I'm going to get my other light because that light is not good, is from my summer camp stuff from Conquer the Night. So this is all stuff that has not been released yet. I don't even know if it's going to be released. It may not be. But you can look at my Conquer the Ninth recap video for summer camp if you want to see all this stuff in action. If you're interested in any of these lots, it's PayPal only. Please pay right away so I'm not kind of waiting on you. And it will ship hopefully the next day. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I am going to be destashing this one, which is called Lovely Day. And it includes the stamp set and the die and the stencil. Give you an idea there. And then this is the Greenhouse Greetings die. So it includes all the dies except for this one right here, which is this banner right here. But you have this banner. And you also have the hello. It does not include the stamp set or that particular die, but everything else is in here, which is all the pieces to make the greenhouse box that you can see in my, this right here. And you can see this in my recap video. It just doesn't include this die right here, or the stamp set. I kept that. So there's that. And then the wallflower turnabout, this one is pretty cool. It's just I have so many floral things already. It makes this right here, so you can get that idea. And it's 2 separate stamps. And so this one you can do turnabout 4 times and do different color flowers. And then the same with the leaves. They're separate. And then it includes the little, I forget what you call those, but the little things that help you line it up. And I'm also including the turnabout jig, which I did use once, however many times for one card. I use that. And then also includes the die. So there's the die. And then the blended blooms, which is this die, strictly a die set. And also I'm including the Blended Blooms stamp set. Also in this lot from the Spellbinders Weekender event, I am doing, this was Carissa Wiley designed this, and this was the Layered Shine Bright. So it's a layering stencil and mask along with the dies that go with it. And this is what you can make. That's included in there. And then I'm also including, this is from Yana, and it's Yana's Puppy, also from the Weekender event, and it's a die set. So that's included. I'm also including the stencil of the month. I used it one time, called Dynamic Backgrounds, and this was from the book club month. So there's that. And then I'm also including my camp cabin gift, which is this one right here. It does like olives, it does berries or grapes, and it has all of these different sentiments, and so that's included as well. So for this particular lot, I am asking for $90. That includes shipping. So it's $90, which includes shipping, and that's for all of this stuff, which I don't know that any of it is, except for like the stencil, is available to purchase. So we'll see. Okay, so if you want that one, let me know, and I'm going to be on to number 2. Okay, so that was lot number 1. This is lot number 2, which includes this 12 by 12 Simple Stories collection kit. So it includes everything you see here. Also, we've got the high school stack by Die Cuts with the View. So I don't know how much of this I've used, if any. So anyway, there's that. And then we have this, which is called the Divine Collection from Prima. And we have the Fairy Rhymes collection. So it's just like all kind of goes together. So I have all of these separate sheets. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, like 15 sheets. It's the Divine and the Delight collection, the Madeline collection from Prima. And then also it includes the City Sidewalks Recollections collection, which I have no idea if I even used any of that. So I put this in here. Trying to get this in here. Okay, so also some brand new items. I've got this Pink and Main. It's the stamp set and the die. I have this stencil. I have this stencil from Erin Lee. This stencil. I have some Echo Park. This one is ornaments. This is floral lace. That one is floral. I've got this honeybee fruit one. I have this brand new 6x6 Enchanted Garden paper pad. I have this triangles embossing folder. I have all of these foilets. I have the Pink and Main flurries plus the dies. I have this Catitude plus the dies, and I have this very large angel stamp set. It's called Little Angels and the dies. And I also have this Pink and Main Thanks Friend Fall 2. Let's see, I've got the Garden Party and these marigold bows. I have this Dilutions Diary stickers. I have this Supergirl sticker sheet. Let's see, I've got these Bow Bunny wood shapes. I got hearts, and I've got bird cages. I have this basic gray, these are like little cut apart thingies. Simple Stories. I've got these stickers. Go into that. I've got these frames. I have these little Hello Kitty. This box is packed. I really hope I can get this last bit of things in here. Okay, I've got this archival ink and sunflower, never opened. And then I have this Chibitronics kit from Lawn Fawn, and it includes this stamp set and die, plus that stamp set, plus whatever pieces to make. There's other little pieces of paper, and then the Chibitronics. And that one is number 2. And that one is $35 shipped. So $35 shipped for number 2. I think I said $90 for number 1. So $90 for number 1 and $35 for number 2. All right, and number 3 is a Saw Crafters bundle. So if you guys remember Saw Crafters, she did these MDF kits, and this is like probably $300 worth of stuff that I'm selling for $35 shipped. I just don't have the time, the space, the energy. So in this kit, this makes a wood chest of drawers. Basically, you paint these, put paper on them, whatever you'd like to do. I actually have one of these that I put my jewelry in that I made on camera years and years and years ago. But yeah, so you can make this wood dresser. This one does a lantern. So that's pretty cool. And so I'm not going to come down on the price. $35 is pretty darn cheap. Otherwise, I guess I will keep it and make stuff out of it. This is house number 1. This is some sort of a house. This does a telephone booth. This does a stand. With a drawer, I think. A chair with a drawer, I think it says. This does a Christmas tree. A fence. 2 fences in there. This does like a little, I think it's some sort of a stand of some kind. And we've got tags, a teacup, all this teacups and teapots and all kinds of clocks. Anyway, this is going to be $35 shipped. So this is number 3. So number, I don't even know how I'm going to get this back in here the way it was. Number 1 is $90. Number 2 is $35. Number 3 is $35. And that is with shipping. So if you're interested in any of these items, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thank you.